we see that how the things are not properly arranged, and I think in every house these things happen. So how we can arrange these things in a very proper manner? Let us start. So we can use a box like this. I am using a Lotte Choco Pie box, and if you don't want a big box or you don't have a space to manage it, you can use a small box like this. And so the material required are So as you can see that I have pasted the edges of the box so that the things we kept in it will not fall. Now in this box we have to make portions so that the things, different things that we keep in it will not mismatch. So the portion that is left over from the box will be used in this. As you can see that from the leftover part I have measured the lines of 5 centimeter breadth and I have made 4 rectangles. The leftover part we will cut. So as you can see that I have cut the 4 rectangles. So now let's paste it. So as you can see that inside the box I have make a different portions. The last portion is small so that you can keep small things in it also. The piece which we have cut from the leftover part, we will cover it with the colored sheet. I am taking green sheet, you can take any. I have made the square of little bit bigger than the size which we have cut. I have taken 0.5 centimeter more so that we can cover it properly. I have taken two rectangles. So let's cut it. See, we have to place it in between the rectangles, then we will paste it, and after pasting it we will place another rectangle and paste it also. So now I have covered 4 pieces with a colored sheet, both the sides. Now we'll cover this box with a colored sheet. I am using pink and blue sheet. Now you can see that I have covered the box with the colored sheet from all the sides and back also, so that it will look much better. Now the lines which we have drawn, we will place the 4 parts on it one by one like this. So take a Fevicol and carefully place it on the line like this and press the box inside so that it will paste correctly. Wait for a while so that it can paste. As you can see that I have pasted the 4 pieces inside the box, and now we have 5 different portions so that we can keep different things in it. So now let's keep this. So now as you can see that I have placed different things inside the box. So if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.